Introduction to Bill.com API SDK. Bill.com API SDK is a set of tools and libraries that enables developers to integrate the Bill.com platform with their own applications and systems. The Bill.com API SDK allows developers to automate tasks, access data, and extend the functionality of the Bill.com platform. Key concepts. The Bill.com API SDK is built around a set of key concepts, including APIs, authentication, and data models. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are used to interact with the Bill.com platform, while authentication is used to secure and authorize access to the platform. Data models define the structure and format of the data exchanged between the platform and the integrated application. Getting started. To get started with the Bill.com API SDK, developers need to create a developer account and obtain an API key. The API key is used to authenticate and authorize access to the platform. Developers can then use the API SDK to access the Bill.com API, which provides a range of endpoints for interacting with the platform. Practical examples. One practical example of using the Bill.com API SDK is to automate the creation of bills and invoices. Developers can use the API to create a new bill or invoice, and then populate the relevant fields with data from their own application or system. Another example is to use the API to retrieve a list of vendors or customers, and then use that data to populate a drop-down list in their own application. Best practices. When using the Bill.com API SDK, it is essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions, and implementing security measures to protect sensitive data. Developers should also ensure that their integrated application complies with the Bill.com terms of service and API usage guidelines. Conclusion. The Bill.com API SDK provides a powerful set of tools and libraries for integrating the Bill.com platform with custom applications and systems by following the key concepts. Getting started with the API SDK and using practical examples, developers can unlock the full potential of the Bill.com platform and automate tasks, access data, and extend functionality. By following best practices, developers can ensure that their integrated application is secure, reliable, and compliant with the Bill.com terms of service.